Hello everyone, my name is Tom Beeson and I'm the Simplified Living Coach. And I'd like to ask you a question. Do you feel like your life is out of balance? Do you feel like you're living in an area or something in your life is just out of control? Perhaps you're having issues with finances. You may be overwhelmed in debt. When you go home at night, your home is really not a place where you easily recharge your batteries, and you see a lot of clutter, both physical clutter, emotional clutter. You're not happy with your work life, you're struggling with your job, and you're having issues, and your spiritual life is almost non-existent. You're sitting a lot on the sidelines, you're not getting fed spiritually, and you're having issues. Well, one thing that I do is I help people with an out-of-balance life reclaim control of their lives so that they can live more fully. And as a Simplified Living Coach, what I do is I walk with people. Basically, I became a detached thinking partner, and I help people to visualize and see and gain clarity on very important areas of their lives. Now, we're going to be launching our World Dominators Academy, and within that academy, we're going to concentrate on four main areas, four pillars that really affect our lives the most. The first, of course, is our finances, and we work a lot on personal financial health. We work a lot on making sure that you have a good spending plan, consumer knowledge, and the most important thing is that you eliminate debt. Get rid of it. Dump it. No more debt. But in order to do that, you really have to change a lot of mindsets, and you have to change your way of thinking. And so we help you make better, healthier spending decisions. We give you guidance toward being a better consumer. And after a while, you really become a powerhouse with finances. And then we move on, and we want to work with your home life, because we want to help you eliminate all the clutter and all the cruft and really make your home, or you walk into it, and it is a place of peaceful rest. It is a place where you don't have a lot of chaos. Family finances, family relationships, how your family functions within your home. Are you setting healthy boundaries for your home? What are you doing that makes your home life better? And then we want to move on in our World Dominators Academy, and we want to talk about how to have a healthy work life. What are the things that are in your work that are holding you back? What is keeping you from performing better, more efficient? What is helping your productivity? And so we want to talk about those things that provide you with a healthy work life and give you that job satisfaction that so many people dream of. And you can have that, and you can do the work that you love. But perhaps that fourth area that is most important of all is our spiritual lives. As a Christian, I work with a lot of different people from a lot of different faiths and backgrounds. And I'm a follower of Christ. I do things that in my own spiritual life, I meditate, I pray, I do things that bring me a lot of joy, a lot of peace, a lot of growth. What do you do when you need joy and peace and growth in your life? Do you meditate? Do you take time for yourself? Do you read? What about when you go on a family vacation, or when you go on vacation, what do you do to recharge your batteries? And that's all part of that spiritual growth, and it's also personal self-care, because you've got to learn to take care of yourself. Otherwise, nobody else really will. So I'd like to invite you to our site. I'd like to invite you to look at some of our courses and programs that we have. One thing just below me is I'd like you to subscribe to our 3 Tips newsletter. I call it 3 Tips. It's not because we give you 3 tips, it's because we give you 3+ tips. And the tips, I want to give you timely tips each week or bi-weekly coming to you, so please sign up for that. My name is Tom Beeson, and thank you for watching, and God bless.